Welcome back to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to insert a YouTube video into your Google Slides presentation. It's a simple process that will make your slides much more engaging. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to YouTube. Find the specific video you want to include in your presentation. Once you have it, right-click on the video and select Copy Video URL, or simply copy the link directly from your browser's address bar. Next, open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the exact slide where you want the video to appear. Go to the top menu, click on Insert, and from the drop-down list, select Video. A new window will pop up. In the search bar provided under the YouTube tab, paste the link you copied earlier and hit Enter. Your video will immediately appear in the search results. Click on the video to highlight it and then click the blue Insert button at the bottom of the window, and there it is. The video is now embedded on your slide. You can easily click and drag the corners to resize it, or drag the video itself to position it perfectly within your layout. Notice the Format Options panel that opens on the right side of your screen. Here you can customize the playback. You can set the video to play on click, play automatically when you reach the slide, or even mute the audio if you just want the visuals playing in the background. That's all there is to it. If you found this quick guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.